This is for a rescope at 1621 Shenandoah Drive, Colorado Springs, Colorado 80910. During the initial inspection, we recommended to have the 2-inch part of the sewer lateral in the basement living room area, which will be this first line we're cammering, to be descaled and re-inspected. It had pretty heavy scaling in it, and for a small 2-inch line, it's starting to enclose in on the line. The scaling's so heavy in some spots, and have it re-inspected. And there was one other line with stagnant wastewater in the basement utility room area. It is in the vent tube of the drain line for the washing machine, and we'll get that cameraed after that. Both of these lines were recommended to be thoroughly cleaned and re-inspected, so we're here to do the re-inspection. Right here at 24 feet is where that 2-inch line that we recommended to be descaled. This is where it ties into the main 4-inch lateral that leaves the residence. Doesn't appear that the line has been cleaned or descaled at all. All the same original stuff hanging down and scaling is still there that we have in our original video. So gonna recommend having this 2-inch line up to about 24 feet descaled and re-inspected again. Heavy scaling can hide potential damages in cast iron that the camera cannot see until it is thoroughly scraped out and all the scaling is flushed out into the main line. Next part of the video will be the other line that we talked about, the washing machine drain line vent tube that had stagnant wastewater sitting at the bottom of it. Going to send the camera down that tube and see if it's been cleaned or not. Right here is that other line that we recommended being cleaned. It's the vent tube for the washing machine drain line. This line is the same thing. We're still going vertical down before we even get to the lateral portion. The stagnant water is still sitting in this location. Not exactly sure if someone had come out here and gotten both of these lines cleaned as recommended, but it doesn't look like anything has really been touched. So again, we're going to recommend both 2-inch lines being thoroughly cleaned out and re-inspected.